Nyasi maringo higni 100 mar kuonde tiegruok mag TVETs ochopo e giko mare tok wuoth manochakore dwe mar 5 mar limo kuonde tiegruok manie counties duto ma pacho kae. Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto nopuoyo okenge ma TVETs osegoyo kendo singo negi sir mar sirikal e neno ni dongruok mar somo omedore pacho ka. Bende olero ni sirikal dhi duoko duol mochung' ne tiegruok kod puodho obok mag TVETs mondo konye timo tiegruok ka jambetri mar piny mar Germany miluongo ni Sebastian Groth to wacho ni Kenya kod piny Germany oikore mar chuoko gi winjruok mabiro miyo jopuonjre ma Kenya thuolo mar dhi tiyo e piny mar oko ma Germany.
As a key enabler to the realization of the bottom line,
will sign a labor migration and mobility agreement between Kenya and Germany that will facilitate skilled labor migration to Germany. I'm very proud to say that this agreement is the first agreement that Germany negotiated with a partner, and it will be the first agreement that will be signed with a partner.
There was a lot of pushback then that formal education was much more superior to TVET education. Today, I think we have equalized the fortunes of all Kenyans. The choices are now as open as they can get. You have students joining either TVET or university equally, and they can sample opportunities also equally. And therefore, I am very proud of the journey that TVET has made, especially in the last 10 years. Reforms in our education sector, both in the competence-based curriculum and training and in the transformation of higher education funding model, have promoted relevance, skills, and competitiveness, and also inclusivity. We are also intentional about developing and providing high-quality human resource to support TVET. I already issued instructions that the development, education, and training curriculum, Assessment and Certification Council, SIDAC, be reinstated.